Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a photo collage with your photos without any other applications. It's pretty simple to do. You're just going to go to your Shortcuts app and you're going to click plus sign. Here you're just going to create a new shortcut and add an action. So what you want to search for is select photos, and here you want to include multiple. After this, at the bottom here, you're just gonna search for combine images, and let's do it in a grid so that the photo collage would look great. And also you want to save these photos to some album, and I'm just gonna save it to my, for example, Pinterest album. After this, you're just gonna rename it. For example, let's rename it to Collage. And let's add it to our home screen. After we added it to our home screen, you're just going to click on that. And you're going to choose the photos you want to do a collage with. So let's choose some beach applications and click on add. Now it has been added, so let's go to our photos. And here you can see this is your photo collage, which you have created with no other applications, only your iPhone Shortcuts app. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.